Should I buy or sell Ford? The report for Ford was first published on our website Friday, December 16, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since December 5, 2022, our system ranks Ford as a sell candidate, giving it a score of -2.979. In this period the stock has had a loss of -9.42%. This is an average return of -0.94% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Ford, our last headline reads, "Is Ford stock still a buy after falling -7.31% on Friday?" The Ford stock price fell by -7.31% on the last day, Friday, December 16, 2022, from $13.13 to $12.17. It has now fallen 4 days in a row. During the last trading day the stock fluctuated 5.78% from a day low at $12.12 to a day high of $12.82. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by -12.1% for this period. Volume fell on the last day along with the stock, which is actually a good sign as volume should follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume fell by -42 million shares and in total, 460,000 shares were bought and sold for approximately $5.59 million. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $25.87, and the lowest price was $10.61. Right now the price is 52.98%, or $13.71, below 52-week high at $25.87, which also is all-time high for the stock. The stock has broken the wide and strong rising short-term trend down. This signalizes a slower rate of rising, but may also be an early warning about a possible trend shift. Due to the trend being broken, there will now be resistance at the bottom line of the trend at $12.73. A reaction back to this level may hold a second chance to get out before further falls. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 13.27% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 18.53% and 41.85%. The 12-month trend indicates a -36.29% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between -60.87% and -28.01%. This equals a price between $4.76 and $8.76 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. On Wednesday, November 30, 2022, Citigroup set price target to 14. On Friday, October 28, 2022, Morgan Stanley set price target to 15. On Monday, October 10, 2022, UBS set price target to 10. On Wednesday, October 5, 2022, Morgan Stanley set price target to 14. On Wednesday, September 28, 2022, Citigroup set price target to 13. From analysts, Ford stock received a general buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. The following signals have been found for Ford. There are few to no technical positive signals at the moment. The Ford stock holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general sell signal from the relation between the two signals where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On corrections up, there will be some resistance from the lines at $13.15 and $13.61. A breakup above any of these levels will issue buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, November 11, 2022, and so far it has fallen -16.42%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume fell together with the price during the last trading day, and this reduces the overall risk as volume should follow the price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 25 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 10 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 7 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 13 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 11 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 9 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Ford. Ford finds support from accumulated volume at $11.77, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This stock is usually traded at a good volume, and with minor daily changes, the risk is considered to be low. During the last day, the stock moved $0.700, 5.78%, between high and low. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 3.57%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Ford. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Ford currently has a price-earning ratio of 5.48. This is a relatively low price-to-earnings ratio and either signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or that the stock is undervalued and could indicate a buying opportunity. Next upcoming earnings report for Q4 2022 is expected to be released February 1, 2023. The consensus among the analysts are $0.620. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Ford meets first resistance at $12.36. If you do not hold Ford shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, Ford finds first level of support at $11.77, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Ford is buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On December 1, 2022, Weinberg John S. made an inside buy of 1,791 of Ford stock units. On December 1, 2022, Wehmeyer John B. made an inside buy of 1,776 of Ford stock units. On December 1, 2022, Vojvodich Radakovich Lynn made an inside buy of 1,452 of Ford stock units. On December 1, 2022, Thornton John L. made an inside buy of 3,594 of Ford stock units. On December 1, 2022, Mooney Beth E. made an inside buy of 922 of Ford stock units. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive at a ratio of 19.477. In total, the insiders bought 6,220,530 and sold 4,077,229 shares in the last 100 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, no stop loss set. Is Ford stock a buy? The Ford stock holds several negative signals, and despite the positive trend, we believe Ford will perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. Therefore, we hold a negative evaluation of this stock. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For the trading on Monday 19th, we expect Ford to open up $0.203 and start trading at $12.37. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to